Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add profit percentage on your website. There are two ways to add profit margin depending on how you want to price your products. Okay, let's start with the first method. Method 1, overall profit percentage. This method is useful if you want to apply the same profit margin across all categories. Steps: go to admin, then open the dashboard. Click on product price settings. Here, set the overall profit percentage. Once done, click save button. For example, if you set the profit percentage to 50%, all products across all categories will automatically update their selling prices. This overall profit method is simple and useful for beginners. But in real business, not all jewelry categories perform the same. Some categories have higher demand and some categories allow higher pricing. That's why category wise profit setting is more useful for business growth. Now let's move to the second method, which gives you more control. Method 2, category wise profit percentage. This method allows you to set different profit margins for different categories. Go to admin, then open the dashboard. Click on category and subcategory management. Select the category or subcategory you want to edit. Add the profit percentage as per your choice. Finally, save the changes. For example, you can set 80% profit for choker necklace and 120% profit on the classic necklace. That's how you can manage profit percentage on your website. If you need any help, feel free to contact our support team. Thank you for watching.